We got an information from one Mr. Cain Lepario that a header named Loriton Lepario, aged 17 years, had been attacked and killed by an elephant while grazing his father's livestock at a place called Lipan village, Lodoko Jek. Police officers visited the scene and found the body, the deceased body, with some injuries, visible injuries on his head, chest and leg. The deceased body was removed from the scene to Samburu Referral Hospital mortuary, awaiting post-mortem. I would advise those grazing not to graze inside the forest, because if they graze inside the forest, this will bring human-animal conflict.